Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So this is another hotel video, and today we are in V Hotel Bencoolen. So this hotel is kind of like a budget hotel. It's budget for the place we are staying in. So this comes around 120 or $30 per day, and it's has very good connectivity. So this is the room. The room is small as you would expect in Singapore. So this is it. It's a bed. You don't have anything by the side. This is a wall painting here, and over here, uh, you get two complimentary water bottles when you come inside, and there is a premium filtered drinking water with tea packets, a telephone, and here is a TV, and then some storage spaces out here. So this is the view from the room. Nothing much to see here. This is the restroom, standard one. The size is decent, and you got two towels, and there's a shampoo and bath gel. But there was one big issue with this toilet is there is no jet spray or health faucet here. So that's a big drawback with this particular room in V Hotel Bencoolen. And apart from that, the hotel is decent for the location, but there are certain places where you can see the age of the hotel where there are a lot of scratches. It's not so great, but it's still fine, I would say. So let me explain the outer side and the connections from this hotel. So this is the staircase, and the marking for the room is not so great. It took a bit of time for us to exactly identify where our room was, because there is one set of rooms here. On the other side, there are another 20 rooms, but the marking was pretty far away. As you can see, there are no markings apart from this exit bar. Only at the end of the room you can find the room markings. So they got 4 lifts, which is good. You can easily get the lifts quickly. So this is the reception area. There is some decoration for the Chinese New Year. And so this is the outside part of the room, and there are a lot of shops here and pretty good bus connectivity. You can see there is one bus stand here, and the biggest advantage is the MRT, which is just a step away, I can say. This is the exit of the hotel, and here is the entry for the Bencoolen MRT. So it's so easily accessible. So that is the biggest advantage of this hotel, I would say. You can see here Bencoolen MRT. So overall, this hotel is yeah, I would say good if you are not going to stay more in the room and you're going to be more often going outside and you want good connectivity. This hotel, I'll say, is still a good value for money, but they can improve with regards to cleanliness and with regards to the fittings of the bathroom. But overall, it was just fine, I would say. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, like and comment the video. Thanks for watching.